Guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to install the Google Play Store application on your Windows 11 PC. Now go ahead and open up your Chrome. As you can see, I have Chrome open, and simply head over to Google. You want to ensure that you signed in. Click the Google apps on the uppermost right hand side and then click on Play, right? This will open up the Play Store. Now, in order to install this as an application on your Windows 11, you want to click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side. Then choose Save and Share and then click Create Shortcut. Now, you can go ahead and you can create a name, whatever you want. I'm going to just simply leave it like Google Play and just probably add Store to it, right? Then, in order to install that as an application, you want to ensure that you check the box that says Open as Window and then click on Create. Now, there you have it, guys. It creates new application and install it on my Windows 11 PC, as you can see here. Now, to show you that this is an application, if you click your three dots at the top here, you can see it says Uninstall Google Play Store, right? So, very easy stuff, and I can close out to this application, and I can simply go ahead and search for it. So, as you can see, Google Play Store, I can simplify it, and I can open the application, and I can use it. And if I don't need it anymore, I can simply click the three dots at the top here, simply do uninstall, remove, and it will uninstall the application for me. So very easy stuff, guys. So we can install Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC.